In this video, we will talk about how to create our handmade navigation menu in a Power BI report. Let's see our report and our navigation menu through Power BI service. This is a report about Formula One. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons, which means we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pages at least. The first report page is about drivers, the second one about constructors, third one about circuits, and fourth about seasons. Okay, we choose drivers and we go to our drivers page. Okay, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 visualizations. Okay, if we want to go back to our navigation menu, through this button we go back. Let's go to the second page, which contains visualizations about constructor. We have 4 visualizations. How many constructors? How many nationalities for constructors? And here we can see, for example, for each nationality, how many companies took part at Formula One races. We go back through this button. Now we are here in a report page about circuits. How many? 79 from 36 countries. And here we'll see for each country the number of circuits. For example, USA 4 different circuits, France 7, Spain 6. From this page we go to another report. So from bar chart we can go to column chart through this button. And now we see the same data in another visualization. This is a column chart. We can go back to bar chart through here. We can go back to our navigation menu in each page through this button. And the last page is seasons. We go back through this button. Okay, let's go to our Power BI desktop and see how we can create this. Now we are in Power BI report. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages, which means 5 report pages and 1 for the navigation menu. Here we will create our navigation menu. 1 page for drivers, constructors, 2 pages about circuits, 1 in a bar chart and another one in a column chart. And we also, the last page is about the Formula One seasons. Okay, let's create the back button in each page. We go to Insert, Buttons. It's ready, the back button. We add it here. Let's do it a little bigger. Let's close format, etc. So, button is choiced. We go to format. We try to find the action. It says back. We put page navigation, and from destination we choose nav menu and save the page. Let's go to do the same at the constructors page. Insert, buttons, back, we choose the visual, we go to format button, action, type is page navigation, nav menu. The same from circuit bars, back. We can copy also this button. We'll do it next. Page navigation, nav menu. Okay, we choose this visual, Control C, we go to next page, Control V, and we see that the button is at the same place. We go to Action, Page Navigation, Nav menu. So easily we can copy and paste buttons. Okay, we choose this button, Control C, Control V. The button is here. Action, Page Navigation, Nav menu, Save. Let's try the button. Control and click, navigation menu. Control, click, navigation menu. Paste, Control, click, navigation menu. Paste, Control, click, navigation page, and for the driver's page. Okay. So now we created the back button for each page. We also have to create the navigation menu page and the change report button between the circuit bars page and the circuit columns page. Let's do that. First of all, we go to circuit bars, we choose text button, we add change report text. Okay, Segoy 10 black center, one more time, black. Okay, let's minimize. Okay, we're here. We choose this text box, we go to format text box, there is an option background off. Splendid. We also now we have to add an image. We go to our photos. We are in the bar chart page, so we want to go to the column chart. The page was added. Let's small page. Okay. We choose change report text box. We also choose the image with control. Okay. Alignment between these two objects. Okay. Now we have to make the action of the image. We choose the image, we go to action, on, type back, no, page navigation, and from the destination we choose circuit columns. So from the circuit bar charts page we go to circuit column. We do the same. Let's copy the text. Okay, let's move before I start the visuals in order to make some space. Perfect. We go to image. We are in the column chart, so we are going to the bar chart. Let's do a simple resize to the image. Okay, same alignment. We are okay. We choose the image, action, enable the action. We choose page navigation and the destination is circuit bars. we have to make a save. If we want to test the functionality, with control button, we choose this image, and now we are in the circuit bus. Control button, we choose the image, and now we are in the circuit columns. We are ready to make the navigation menu. Over there, we are made the navigation menu, the last piece of the puzzle. First of all, let's hide all the pages, because through Power BI service, we only want to see the navigation menu page. Save. Now, let's do the navigation menu. We choose text box. Let's resize the object. Okay, let's move on here. And we write, for example, drivers. 20, 28, I think we are okay. Beautiful. Drivers, Segoi 28. Copy. Control Z. We choose again the text box. Control C. Control V. What's wrong? Why? Control C. Control V. We have a problem. Let's do it again. Text box. Constructors. 28. Let's resize it. Okay, I think the same height. No. Now are the same height. We want to have the same width. So wonderful. Let's try again. Yes, now we have the text box constructor. Let's write down circuit. Okay. Let's choose font size 28. We are okay. Wonderful. The last one is seasons. Okay. Let's delete this. And I think we are okay. Let's start. We choose the first text button, which is about drivers. We go to background and let's choose color black. Also, we choose the text right. Okay, black and white, the colors of the Finnish flag. That's why. Black, white, white, black, black, white. White, so we go to background, which is on, color background, black, and seasons. Let's save the changes that we made. The last piece of the puzzle is to create our arrows in order to use as a link to the pages. Buttons, let's use right arrow. We use it here. Okay, let's make some changes. Let's resize the arrow. Wonderful. Go to which is I want to make a few changes about the color. So we choose icon and white. Control C, come here, Control V, no, okay, let's drag and drop, wonderful, Control V, okay, here, we go to icon and we choose black, Control C, Control V, the last black arrow, wonderful, splendid. We choose the arrow and we go to action, enable the action option, expand, and we choose page navigation. From there we choose the suitable page. We are in the drivers section, so we choose the drivers page. Constructors. Okay, we enable action, page navigation, and destination is the constructors report page. Circuit, action enable, page navigation. The first page we want to see is circuit bars. And through circuit bars we go to circuit columns. The last one is season, enable action, page navigation, destination, seasons. Wonderful. Now let's try our construction here through Power BI desktop. We choose the arrow and we are in the report drivers, F1 drivers page. We go back, Wonderful. Let's publish our report. Okay, let's use test params workspace. We wait a few seconds. Okay, successful. Let's go now to our Power BI report service. We go to workspaces, test params. We found our new report, nav menu temp. We choose it and we are here. We only see one page because we hide all the other pages, and through this handmade our navigation menu we can see our report drivers, and we are going to the drivers page and open a link, Carlo Maria Abate, back. Let's go to circuits. We are in the bar chart. Through here we go to column chart page and we go back. This is our new video about how to create a handmade navigation menu in Power BI report. In order to see all the report through one page with the use of the navigation buttons. Thanks a lot.